Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I am sharing my real experience of getting an instant personal loan from HDFC Bank directly against my credit card offer. I kept receiving notifications and SMS from HDFC Bank, so I finally decided to check it out. And to my surprise, the loan was approved and credited instantly. So let's see how the entire process works step by step. So as you can see from my phone's screen, I kept receiving notifications from the HDFC Bank application in this way, which clearly states that I have been offered pre-approved personal loan, and this is actually a kind of Insta Jumbo Loan, which are pre-approved personal loan for eligible existing HDFC Bank credit card or savings account holder, and it is disbursed directly to your account within seconds. So unlike a traditional loan, it does not block the credit card's available limit, but offers funds as a separate loan account with flexible repayment tenures and no additional documentation is required. As a safety measure, never click on unknown links, whether they claim to be from HDFC or any of the banks. Make sure that you are clicking on the links which are from verified sources. So as soon as I clicked on this notification, I have been taken up to this browser where this link has been opened up. So in case your eligibility depends upon the savings account that you are having in the bank, you will be asked to enter your PAN card, and if you are eligible for pre-approved personal loan based on your credit card, then you will be asked to enter the last four digits. So let's start by entering the registered mobile number. After that, you have to tick the first radio button that says I hereby accept that my personal data may be held and processed by the bank for availing this loan and relevant services. I don't want to tick the next two links which says I hereby allow the bank to process my data for sending me personalized offers. I don't want that. And also I don't want any of the representatives from the bank to call me or SMS or email me. So I'm going to leave the third link as well. And then you just have to tap here on view loan eligibility, and then you'll receive one OTP on your registered mobile number. Quickly enter that. Alright, then the details of your card as well as the amount that is offered to you will be visible. So you can choose the loan amount depending upon your needs. And if we scroll down, we have the option to select the loan tenure. But since the amount is very less, so the tenure cannot be less than 12, and the EMI per month is going to be 7,496, and the monthly rate of interest is 1.26%, which will turn out to be 15.12% per annum, and there will be one time processing fee 1,799, which will be charged with the first EMI. And then if I just keep scrolling down, I can see my savings account number. So the loan that I'm taking will be credited to this HDFC Bank savings account. Now it is asking us to select the purpose of the loan. So I'll just select anyone from the list. Let's say personal expenses. And if any HDFC Bank representative has helped you, you can turn this radio button to yes. And then you can select the language in which you want to view and download the key fact statement. I'll let it be on English. And if you tap here on I agree to the key fact statement, it's going to open the document. Now from here you can download the KFS or the key fact statement for your future reference as well. So it's a Insta Jumbo Loan, which I have explained at the beginning as well. So this key fact statement is a standardized, concise document that summarizes the most important details of a loan. So the sanctioned loan amount from here is 83,000, and it will be disbursed 100% upfront, not in any stages. Then the loan tenure is 12 months. Then the type of installment is monthly, so we have to pay monthly installment, and that there are 12 installments, and the EMI is 7,496 and 14 paise. The commencement of repayment is 12/10, that is 12 October. So there's a 3-day freeze time. The rate of interest is 15.12, which is fixed and not floating or hybrid. And then 1,799 is the processing fee. All right. And then the annual percentage rate is 19.33. So the difference between these two is that the interest rate only reflects the cost of the principal, while this annual percentage rate includes the cost of the principal as well as the additional fees. Alright, then there is the late fee of 500 in case of delayed payment. And this is important. If you want to foreclose your loan before 12 months, you will have to pay 3% of the principal outstanding at that point, plus the GST and the pro rata interest. And then after that, the next thing is total interest charged during the entire tenure of the loan is 6,954, so it's around 7,000. So the total amount to be paid is 91,753, out of which 83,000 is the money that I'm getting now, and then around 7,000 is the interest, and then the other fees such as the one-time processing fees. So the cooling period or the freezing period, which I mentioned earlier, is 3 days. So within 3 days, if you repay the loan entirely, you will not be charged any penalty on the repayment. And then these are the same details that we have talked about. And then finally, we have the repayment schedule. So it's going to show all the 12 EMIs that I am going to pay monthly. So anyways, once you are done and satisfied with the information, you can just tap on I agree. Then after that, you have to tap I agree to the terms and conditions, and then finally you can just tap on confirm. All right, you will receive another OTP on your registered mobile number, which you can just enter and then confirm, and you will see a success message, something like this, that your loan is approved. And then also the amount will be credited instantly to your savings account. So there is instant loan dispersal and there's no documentation needed. So anyways, that was my experience. It was quick, smooth, and fully digital. But remember, always borrow responsibly and only from the official bank sources. So that's all for this video. I hope you liked the video. So don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.